Stephanie.
What lane you want?
Right.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're once again racing this weekend. Stephanie's got her car loaded. We're going to Streetcar Takeover Virginia to run the 12.0 class, I believe. And we're just gonna see what the car does. So I had to put a transmission rear seal in last night, or whatever they call that thing. It was a pain in the you-know-what. Got the car loaded up around like 9 o'clock, and it's 4:55, so we're headed down. It's a 4-hour drive. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Let's have some fun today.
Trucks back here in the water. Gonna be racing our truck and SUV class, I would imagine. So we got a pair of Mustangs out there. Goes 949 at 126 miles an hour. Right lane goes at 1195 at 116.
Oh my God, that would make my fucking day. Oh, Draggy, please be correct. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh my God. 760 foot, which I knew this shit was bad, but I ran an 11.9 at 116. Oh my God! This is what we came here for. Yes!
Alright guys, so I have Taylor, Jonathan, David, Stephanie, Eric, Nick, and Chuck. Anybody I didn't call? Because you haven't showed up, so we're drawing it with what we have. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7. So we got a buy chip. Buy chip green just says buy. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, let's draw them up. Go on, you got it. You already reached first. Josh, you said it now? 412. Just hang tight.
Okay.
I'll get you last.
Okay.
Who is this? I'll pair them together if that's the case. If they're last.
Second time out.
Yeah, that's literally 2 cars that I've been calling forever now. Yeah. All right, who's got my green one?
Me. Stephanie.
What lane you want?
Right.
Stephanie, right lane. Who is my blue one? Here. You are racing Stephanie. Left lane. Stephanie, if you want to pull up, I think you're first, right? Oh, you're, yeah, okay, hold on, guys.
Qualifying hit, they just went right into eliminations. So she lined up with a 70s, late 70s Camaro. She just got him. So great job, babe. She went 1220 on a 12.0 index. She's hit the brakes on the big end. I think she was afraid to run out, which is a great job. So let's see what we can do tonight.
I did what I said. I was ahead and I let out. I ran at 12.2, got my 1660 foot back. I'm happy.
It was an 8.
I put it away. Hold on.
Guaranteed, that was a new PB.
Oh yeah, it was good. 7.7 again. I think that's what I ran last
What was
time.
it, mile an hour?
92 at 8.
Okay.
I went 101 in the quarter.
Chip just says buy on it. Green chip is lane choice. You think? Draw them up. Lane first.
Thank you.
I usually like to rag on all the dudes when they don't let that happen.
Yeah, that's true.
Green is lane choice. Hold on. Let me get 2.
I got 2.
Hey,
no.
hey.
2 chips though.
Let's run them out the back. All right, drivers, raise your hands again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have no more chips.
Me again.
I got 1.
I got no more. Oh, you did get 1. Oh, I thought you didn't get 1. All right, green 1. What's the name, bud? Greg.
Let's put them heads up out the back.
Greg, what lane you want?
Whatever it is, we'll take them. Yeah.
Left lane.
Who's got my
See who's
blue
on the
2
back
or
of the
blue
pit.
1? What's the name, bud?
We both stand on the paddles and everything else.
You got
Spend that
Greg, you
last
think
time.
right or left lane, so you're gonna go right lane. Oh,
I ran.
2, green 2.
It's Eric and I again.
Green 2.
Can I have
What
red
lane?
lane?
Oh, you want right?
Right.
What's the name
We're
again?
gonna do what we're doing? I know.
I'll run it out.
Right left. Right.
So we just ran the first round, and I won. Sorry, Eric. We actually threw each other again. So we have an agreement that we're both going to run them out the back door. And at that point, if we both break out, then it's whoever wins is whoever breaks out the least. So we'll see.
Yep. Awesome. Be safe.
You too.
Where's Jose at? Okay, you drew the buy last time? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take the buy out, and you're gonna draw. We're all good. 5 minutes, 6 races. Because white's lane choice.
Oh, yeah.
The XC racer buddy at Bristol. But he's like, I always know, like, he's always right there.
Thanks, honey. Hey, don't think me yet.
Okay. White one.
What is it?
Okay. Is it David, right? Or no?
Stephanie.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Damn, you call my girl
I know,
name.
I'm the
Boy,
only
that ain't-
girl.
Well, there's a girl drawing for David, so.
Alright,
That's
damn.
understandable.
What lane you want?
Right?
Okay, Jose, you got left, you got left.
Good luck. You
Yeah.
too.
Oh, y'all, what's going on? Y'all not going next?
Huh?
Y'all not going next?
You sure? I mean, even if it's 11, oh, it's only one.
It's not a lot. Are we running now or? No, I think they're going next.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this before I went and saw her, but I'm extremely proud of you, sweetie. She just told me what happened. I called her. She thought the car at the starting line was that car, so she let out when she didn't have to. So that was that loud pop, and I thought that was what it was, what she let out.
So
she didn't end up winning. So, but we got a new PB today. She won a couple rounds. I'm super proud of you. You've done something that you didn't think you would ever do, and that was compete. So keep up the great work. Keep it going, and until next time, y'all. Thanks for tuning in.